Hello beautiful people and welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. They sent over this kinky, curly, super cute, natural looking wig. For those of you that want to have some fun and give something playful, this is definitely the unit for you. She is completely customized when you get the unit, so she's already pre-plucked, she's already pre-bleached and everything of that nature. So the only thing you have to do is put her on, and if you wanted to add like a little mousse or a foundation into the part, that is all it takes to make sure you have a seamless melt. Okay, I decided to go with a side part because usually on my curly units I usually do a middle part, but to me this was just kind of fun with the little piece hanging right there in the front. Tell me how y'all feel about the side part, the curly side part with the little bang. I think it's super cute, but she's super full, super cute. Back is super full too, and I absolutely love the curl pattern. So I picked it out, but this is the curl pattern right here. Isn't that cute? But this install took like a few minutes, literally. It's one of the reasons why I love the units that are ready to go fresh out the box. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So let's get into this unboxing, okay? The bag to store the wig. We also have HD wig cap, edge band, our edge band, and then this is if you want a little extra security, like a little adhesive for under the wig. Take her out. So just fresh out, this is how the hairline is looking. Nice and plucked, nice and customized. Baby hairs, check. Okay, I'm not a huge baby hairs person, but when they're already made, it's a little more convenient. I think I don't like doing baby hairs because I'm lazy. Because I like how baby hairs look. I think it's just the whole like parting and cutting and plucking and then mousse and all that, like what it takes to make baby hairs, I think is what keeps me from actually wearing baby hairs because they're actually pretty cute. So let's put her on. She has 2 combs in the side and 1 comb in the back for extra security, but y'all already know we are good to go as long as we have our elastic band to keep it nice and tight, because the tighter the better. That's really what helps the glueless wigs melt into your skin, is how tight they are. Ooh, honey, I think I'm wearing this one to Target because we going to Target today. So she melts right in. Okay, only thing I could probably do is add like a little foundation and mousse right there, but if that's all I gotta do, I am not mad at it. Okay, so this is what she looks like fresh out the box, natural pattern. Now I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and give her some volume. So far I like the fact that she's already layered, because that is a step that I don't have to complete. Comb the back out. She's very full too. It's giving ice spice girls. Spice Girls is what it's reminding me of. But I absolutely love that. I tried the foundation, okay? I didn't like how that looked. So what I'm actually going to do is use the edge band that they sent. And we're gonna do a little bit of this mousse right here. And set that like that. And then just a little bit of this hairspray, just to give it like a little extra melting effect. And then I'm gonna take my edge band that they sent and place it on. I'm only gonna let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes because that's not, like if it's glue it has to sit longer, but this is just mousse and hairspray, so it does not have to sit that long. And I'm gonna make sure I have the volume I want, and then I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, I think I like the side part. I like having this little bang piece right here too. But the last thing I'm gonna do is add some makeup into the part. So I'm just gonna take some of this shade right here, go in like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You can use foundation, you can use eyeshadow, whatever your little heart desires, okay? So this is the final look. I actually really like the side part more, but this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this super fun, cute, curly wig. Super voluminous, if that's the word. With the side part, super adorable. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description box below. I'll have the direct link to the wig as well as to their website if you guys want to check out what sales they have going on. And other than that, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. If you guys are interested in this unit or any of their other wear and go bleach knots pre-customized units, make sure you check out the description box below. But also, here is a screen recording of me showing you how easy it is to navigate through the website, showing you all the different styles and colors, highlighted, curly, straight, you name it, they've got it. And as you can see, all of their wigs are super affordable. They're not super cheap, but I mean, you get what you pay for. I feel like as long as it's affordable, like you can swing it and it's still good quality, I feel like that's a great purchase. Investments, y'all. You look good, you feel good. So yeah, the website's super easy to navigate. They have all different kinds of deals off, like you see right here, the $110 off or a free wig. So make sure you visit the website. And if you're like, hey girl, I'm not going online and shopping, where's the link? I got you, okay? The link will be dropped down below in the description box. Thank you again, Beauty Forever, for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
One step